at 24 hertz, I did a 4766. It'll do about a 52.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Check out inside. Okay.
It's a ZV4 custom. The coil's rated for 4,500 watts. It's wired at half on the rootless 4,500.
Wow. We'll talk inside. This is this built in or slide in?
Slides in through the front.
The front, okay.
I think probably squeezing in the back. Give us some air to squeeze in the front.
So, what's your name and what's in here?
My name's Aaron Mills. I'm on TCP, Team Control Pressure. Got a rootless 4,500 wired at half on. And I got a custom ZV4 4,500 watt, 43.5 amp hour.
That was 43 ampere. That little. Those things are small but efficient. Man, so you really fit this box like tight. Wow. Who built it?
Powerhouse Customs, Josh Kingsmore. He's the one
Wow.
that has that. It's actually him right there that's walking.
Okay.
That's his golf cart right there.
Oh, okay. Y'all had to cut into the cabin to get it to fit.
Had to open up a large to open it.
So, and to fit that 18 in here is crazy.
I love it. This is just more of a demo thing for this year.
Yeah. Have you, I know you probably wouldn't, but have you tried inverting it just to see? No.
I couldn't shut it.
Oh, that's
point,
yeah.
All that's fully functional still. I
Yeah.
can still use everything.
Yeah, you use your back seat. Wow. Any SPL tests?
I did at 24 hertz, I did a 14766. It peaks at 36 and it'll do about a 52.
Cool. And it likes lows.
It likes lows.
Okay. Awesome. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Thanks for the info.
It might be loud when I first turn it on.
That's all right.
Yeah, look, Ruckus a couple years back, he's like, could you shut your doors? I can't hear nothing. You'll hear it.
Oh, you'll hear it
plenty now.
Yeah, you'll hear it. It's really big beef.
Yeah, pass this to my daughter, I'ma show what. Yeah, yeah. Hey, check so stripes. That's what I like. That's what we like. Lost my respect. Not that. When I shoot my shot, that shit wetty like on Shaq. See this? She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did have a Zan, 13 hours till I land. I be out like a light, baby. Like a light, like a light. Slap through the flight, not for the night. 767 minutes, shit got double bedroom, man. I still got scores to settle, man. I cracked down the block. They don't bite, cut the lights. They don't price, need this thick and sweet. Just 13 hours till I land, I be out like a light, baby. Like a light, like a light. She's I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I didn't have a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, 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 like a light. Yeah, that's it, that's the Sundays and the Texas and the nights. Yeah, say keep that on like I say, you know this shit is tight. Yeah, it's absolute. Just 13 hours till I land. I be out like a light, like a light, like a light.
You hear everything. I appreciate the demo, man. Wow.
Right. I love my team. TCP, Team Road.
They did a good job, yeah.
Man, I love Ben. Ben's putting out great amps, dude. Oh, yeah. So many options coming out on the market. Y'all need it? Like, look at him. I tell you, he's got a bunch of stuff coming.
Well, sounds good, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you, brother.
You're welcome. You have a good day.